Hello, dear students. Me, Mrs. Samandeep Kaur Johal from California Public School, your SST teacher, class 4th. Today we are going to read lesson 3rd. Name of the lesson 3rd: Calendars and Timeline. What is a calendar? Calendar is the series of days, weeks, months in a year that divides year into a months and months divides into a week and week divides into a days. Okay, and timeline. In this lesson we will also discuss about the timeline is the list of important events that happened in earlier time. It is a list of important events that is arranged in order means which thing happened first, that will come in first date. After that, which one happened, that will come next, last one date. Okay, first of all, see here, get going. Last year you learned what a calendar is. आपने लास्ट क्लास में पढ़ा ही होगा कैलेंडर क्या है एंड हाउ इट इज़ यूज टू शो इम्पॉर्टेंट डेज, कैसे ये इम्पॉर्टेंट डेट्स को शो करता है. नाउ लेट अस क्रिएट अ पर्सनल कैलेंडर बाय मार्किंग ऑन इट्स डेट that are important to us. You can make your own calendar at your home if you will collect the information in your family member. On a calendar, mark the following date. For example, your birthday and the birthdays of your family member you can mark on your own calendar. The days on which your summer vacation begins, on which date, on which month of the date, which dates of the month that summer vacation will begin, you can select it, and ends, in which month it will be entered. Other festivals and national days which are marked as holidays in your school's diary. You can also mark out the festivals and national days that will be celebrated in your school. Any other dates which are important to you, you can also mark on the calendar. Display the calendar at place where it can be seen easily. So after marking these important events, festivals, celebration, then you can display that calendar in your personal room at your home. Okay, to remind the important events that are necessary for you. Now read from here. Human beings have since early times, means बहुत समय से पहले, felt the need to measure the passage of time. उनको टाइम को मेज़र करने के लिए बहुत मीन्स उन्होंने महसूस किया इस बात को. एंड रिकॉर्ड इवेंट्स, और इवेंट्स को कीप अप, रिकॉर्ड मीन्स कीप अप करके रखना. तो उन्होंने इन इवेंट्स को रिकॉर्ड एक अरेंज सीरीज़ में रखने के लिए तो उन्होंने कैलेंडर और एल्मेनिक को अपनाया. कैलेंडर्स एंड एल्मेनिक आर टू सच सिस्टम क्रिएटेड फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग इवेंट्स, डेट्स एंड टाइम्स. तो दिस कैलेंडर दैट टेल्स अस अबाउट द सीरीज ऑफ डेज, मंथ्स इन अ ईयर. तो एल्मेनिक that is also called containing important dates with lot of information. Okay, calendar and almanacs are such two items that help for recording events, dates and time, etc. Now here is that we will explain about the calendars and almanac. Calendar is a system used for recording date and time. एंड कैलेंडर एक ऐसा सिस्टम है जो डेट और टाइम को रिकॉर्ड करके रखता है. कैलेंडर डिवाइड्स द इंटायर इनटू द मंथ्स. कैलेंडर सारे साल को मंथ्स में डिवाइड करके रखता है. एंड ईच मंथ डिवाइडेड इनटू वीक्स एंड ईच वीक्स डिवाइडेड इनटू डेज. इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स एंड फेस्टिवल्स आर यूजुअली मार्क्ड ऑन द कैलेंडर. ज़्यादातर जो इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट्स होती है और फेस्टिवल होती है वो कैलेंडर पे मार्क की होती है विद द डिफरेंट कलर. Some calendars contain a great deal of information, means some calendar that gives us a large quantity of information. about something. They are called almanacs. जो ज़्यादा information provide करते हैं with great deal, then it is called almanac. Almanac is the yearly calendar. एक साल की डायरी होती है that contains the information about the various subjects. तो various subjects पे वो information provide करती है, such as festival, weather, time of sunrise and sunset, the best time to plant crops. ये सब हमें almanac से information मिलती है. almanac क्या क्या कंटेन करता है? रिगार्डिंग दी डेट्स ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स, वेदर्स एंड when weather will be start and when it will be end, time of sunrise also it is mentioned and sunset also in almanac. The best time to plant, when we will grow to plant, which month will be best, that also mentioned in almanac. Changing phases of the moon and टाइड्स होता है ज्वार भाटा, जो एकदम मीन्स मत्स्य पुण्य को शो करता है. एंड द पोजीशन ऑफ द प्लैनेट, दैट आल्सो tells us, almanac also tells us about the position of the planets, जिसे हम ग्रह लगना कहते हैं. एंड almanac इज़ यूजली पब्लिश्ड इन फॉर्म ऑफ बुक. जो almanac होते हैं ऑलवेज किस फॉर्म में होते हैं? बुक की फॉर्म में, छोटी डायरी के फॉर्म में होते हैं. Okay, now we will read about the spotlight. Here are given some unit, you will have to keep it in mind. Some key terms used for measuring the time. Here are given some keys that helpful to measuring the time. Decade, a period of 10 years is called decade. Decade, 10 सालों का जो पीरियड होता है उसका समय decade we can say decade. A period of 100 years, that can century. क्रिकेट में सेंचुरी यूज़ होती है ना, तो दैट मीन्स पीरियड ऑफ 100 years is called century. And millennium, a period of 1000 years is called millennium. Okay, these terms you will have to keep in mind. It will be helpful to you in this chapter and in further classes. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.